anything like that. So it's best to just avoid the situation. But she ended up pulling a gun out on us. All right, lawn care family, this is Darian, Quick Cutz Premium Lawn Care, coming to you from Conyers, Georgia. Right here, my orthodontist office right here, which is Craig D. Williams. All right, we're gonna kind of see a little bit of what we got. don't know if you saw that lawn care can be very dangerous. where the lady, because we had the high power blower, and we couldn't hear. Then of course it got a little tense and everything because she came at me very disrespectful, and then my son stepped in, and it didn't go too well. And that's not the way we handle situations, especially when we're dealing out here in the public. You deal with people you don't know what their mentality is. You don't know their mentality. You don't know their medical history as far as their mental aptitude or anything like that. So it's best to just avoid the situation. But she ended up pulling a gun out on us, and just praising God, the fact that it didn't even get ugly in that sense. So that's how you don't handle the situation. It's best to just go on and allow them to stay within the place of they are and walk away. All right. Hopefully you saw the big machine in play.